Installing the dash cam for Mercedes-Benz. Step 1. Remove the cover. Use the included pry tool to carefully pry open the gap in the cover. Now, let's remove the cover. Step 2. Connect the Y cable. Locate the vehicle's original 4-pin connector. You also can use the pry tool to lift the 4-pin connector upward to disconnect it. Take the Y cable from the package. Connect the vehicle's original 4-pin connector to the 4-pin port on the Y cable. Plug the Y cable's 4-pin connector into the vehicle's original port. Step 3. Connect the dash cam. Attach the Y cable's 8-pin circular connector to the dash cam's port. Install the dash cam to the original cover position. Finally, your dash cam are now ready for use.